The hiking trip where I discovered a love of cider. Well, after years of planning, I'm finally here on the Pennine Way. Ooh, just 430 odd kilometers from Edale in the Peak District in England, all the way through to Kirkgetham on the Scottish border in Scotland. So I finally get there after all this time. And it's a beautiful day. They said it was gonna rain. Ha! Actually, probably all later. Okay, I've got quite a high hill to climb. I mean, how beautiful is this? I'm talking about the stream, not myself. No. Oh, fuck me. They had to put this right at the start of the hike. Beautiful scenery though. This is some Lord of the Rings looking terrain. I was hiking the backbone of England. Kinder was stunningly beautiful. Edale, already out of my mind. This is why I travelled to the other side of the globe. And now, here I was, carrying everything I needed on my back, and probably a bit more than that. I had overpacked in London. I was expecting all types of weather, all types of terrain, but for now, it was just enjoying the raw beauty of the Peak District. Hello. How are you? Having a good day? Yeah? I felt like a sheep herder. Just lots of sheep, not even terrified of me. Not like kangaroos. Oh, there's a little one. It's lambing season. Be a lamb. Kilometers in and some really impressive views already. It's majestic. Actually, it is stupidly pretty. I've gone up a few big sections. Manchester's in the background and it's a beautiful day. It's sprinkled for about a minute and that was about it. Sunshine and clouds and perfect hiking weather. I spoke far too casually of the good weather, and the old gods of this land took immediate offence. They would not permit a hiker to be so bluntly carefree in a place brimming with their power. The reckoning was swift. What came next was more than a change in the forecast. It was a grueling, elemental trial designed to test the very core of my will and mental strength. Very steep path. So the Pennine Way has been wonderful so far. Just stopped for a bit of a rest. Obviously day one, I want to take it a bit easier. Having said that, they throw bloody Jacob's Ladder at you straight away. My first stop is Crowden, although I have the luxury of not needing to stop there because my first night will be in a tent. So, oh, and another good thing is that the sun won't go down until about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. So, unlike the bib, where I sort of need to think about where I am at about 3 or 4 o'clock, here I don't need to think about where I am until about 6 or 7 o'clock. I did start a bit later because of train delays from London, but yeah, let's hope that this day is salvaged and I've walked the full length, and then tomorrow will be a pretty standard day. So these stepping stones are more treacherous than they look. Pretty much I'm walking on a boggy marsh. It's just started sprinkling. 4 seasons in a day. It's beautiful though. Not enough yet to need a jacket. Trying to find a nice spot to put up a tent. I found a few, however, it was pissing down with rain and I didn't particularly want to put my tent up. Or to throw a spanner in the works, there is an approaching thunderstorm, which normally I would love, but I'd rather love it dry. Oh well, this is what hiking's about. Sunshine and rain, soggy shoes, and hopefully a break in the clouds and a nice green firm spot to put down my tent. So this here, and there's more of it up there, is the crash bomber during the war. My little tent set up under a rainbow. Good morning. Day 2. And I was worried about this. I don't want to get up. It's raining and it's just so pleasant. But I have to. There's a big day of hiking to come.